Here are the top 5 ways that you can burn fat and lose weight while sleeping. Number 5. Don't have a large meal before bed. When you eat a big meal right before bed, your body works all night to digest it. You will get less sleep, will wake up feeling drowsy, and be more prone to go for foods high in calories the later you go to bed. Try to maintain your dinner portion size similar to what you have for breakfast and lunch, especially if you have dinner later in the day. Number 4. Sleep in cooler temperatures. According to the National Institute of Health, if you lower the temperature in your home to about 66 degrees Fahrenheit, it will help you burn an additional 7% more calories as your body uses fat as fuel to regulate body temperature. Number 3. Drink a casein shake before bed. Casein is a slowly absorbed protein that can take your body 6 to 8 hours to break down. As a result, your metabolism will remain active throughout the night and you won't wake up feeling hungry. Number 2. Work out before bed. According to a 2019 study in experimental physiology, cardio before bed, specifically high-intensity interval training, lowers the production of ghrelin synthesis, which is the hormone that causes hunger. Number 1. Turn off the lights before bed. Various studies have shown that people who slept with a light or television on were more likely to gain weight and become obese. Furthermore, a study conducted by Northwestern University found that exposure to blue light at night increases hunger and insulin resistance, both of which can, of course, result in weight gain. Follow for more tips.